Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. She is a boss, but she is not bossy. She is the only boss. She always get it done like a boss. Now, let's get it done like a boss.
Got so tired of waiting. Got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately.
Hey friends, it's your girl Maya, and when I say my mother is a boss, she is. She always gets it done like a boss. In today's video, my mother will be showing you how to decorate a modern living room into a beautiful red and white hangout. Watch to the end to see the results. Peace. By the way guys, this video is a collaboration.
Got here but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my test.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay kijanoye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking in this video. My name is Linda. On my channel I post tons of home decor, a little bit of cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before I leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, je m'appelle Linda. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci. Si c'est la première fois que vous tombez sur la chaîne là, bienvenue ou la caillou, moi Linda. Pas oublier abonner, quitter un commentaire, partager avec vos amis. Merci. Now let's get it done like a boss baby. Okay guys, in today's video I am collaborating with my cousin. Her name is Clemmer's friend. On her channel she posts tons of home decor and a little bit of cooking. When you guys are done watching my video, please head over to her channel, show her some love, let her know that Linda sent you. You will enjoy her channel. Everything is so beautiful. When I said beautiful, beautiful. Her link will be in my description box down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are from the Glamorous friend, hello and welcome. My name is Linda. Please consider subscribing before I leave. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Thank you so very much for clicking in this video. Now, let's get it done like a boss baby. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. I truly appreciate your love and support. Your comment and liking are truly appreciative. May the Lord continue to bless each and every single one of you. I am honored. Thank you guys so much. Yes, she is a boss.
How can I believe it when everything is seething? How can I believe everything is seething? Everything is seething. Everything is seething. How can I believe it when everything is seething? You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, yeah. You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, yeah.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we preach. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite.
try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. No, I can't get enough of what you do. Enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do, the one who saves me. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Malé, peace out.
Got tired of the